All right, new arrival. The perfect gentleman spec GT3 Touring. This is a 2019 GT3 Touring in GT Silver. You can see it's got no graphics on it. The satin wheels, just a really subtle car. In my opinion, that's how these Tourings should be built. Not too flashy, not to look at me. Got the GT3 badging in the back. The entire car has been wrapped in PPF from nose to tail. It's got front lift. Those were added. That's the clear turn signals up front. It's got the LED headlights, big gas tank option, steel brakes. Just a really nice, tasteful build, not over the top. And then the interior, we've got the red stitching all the way around. Just nice little details there on the dash, steering wheel, red face gauges, the fabric inserts. Really nice, of course, manual transmission. I've got all the books in history, and just had a major service done to it, brand new tires. But the car only has 2,000, see if we can focus here, 2,240 miles. And like I said, it had a brand new major service done just recently with brand new tires. It is ready to go. Again, 2019 GT3 Touring in GT Silver over black.